Guitar pedals add so many extra sounds to the Fender Rhodes piano, though one thing, there's no real place to put them. If you put them on top of the piano, it's curved and slippy, and the weight, the cable and vibrations makes the pedal move and vibrate while you're playing. Also, this is space that's ideal for stacking keyboards, not pedals. And I have been trying a range of different effects pedals out on the Fender Rhodes, and I've put a link below of a video where I try one of each. So while playing around these range of pedals, I did notice that to get the best results, it's good to have the pedal at arm's reach. And I've seen pedal boards put on top of the piano or below, but I really want something simple for one or two pedals, as I'd rather use more than that. So let's solve this problem. I've designed this bracket, and this is designed to hold an effects pedal. I'm going to create a longer video showing you exactly how I did this step by step, if that's something you're interested in. And once that's created and uploaded, I'll put a link in the description. There's so much open source software and resources out there making and creating something like this. It's never been so easy. So I've created this bracket similar to how I've made that music stand I created in the last video. This attaches to the name rail of the Fender Rhodes piano. And attaching like this allows the pedal to clip onto the front of the piano without damaging the piano, and there's no change, and it can easily be reversed. When the pedal's in this position, it allows me to quickly activate it, and I can play with any of the settings on the pedal on the fly. One issue is that not all FX pedals are the same shape and design, so I've had to make a few other shapes to cover the more common designs. I've uploaded these to Thingiverse, so you're free to download one and actually print one yourself. I'm interested to see what you think, if this is a good idea or a bad idea. And if you use it, let me know. If you've got any other future projects or problems that you think we might be able to solve, do get in touch. Alright, till next time.